short tip of the day. As the year wraps up, this season can become a powerful window to boost your credit rather than drain your wallet. By reviewing your credit reports, directing bonuses or extra income toward lowering balances, setting firm spending limits before celebrations, automating payments to avoid late fees, and positioning yourself for January funding opportunities, you can turn December into a strategic advantage. With a focused plan and intentional choices, the end of the year becomes a chance to improve your financial footing and step confidently into the new year with momentum.